Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Coding with Kenny G, and this is episode 19. So, the last episode we had a little bit of an issue. I just found a real quick fix to it. But the issue was that when it was the defender's turn, I could multi-click an attacker actor. And somehow it will respond to input when it was not supposed to. So let's just do this bug fix real quick. And the issue was this line at the end of the script in actor selector in the function on tile selected is displaying move path was set to true at the end. Outside of all these if statements. The only thing that we need to change is to place this guy inside the if statement for when we are checking if the tile is indeed occupied and if it is of the same faction as the currently playing faction. Alright, so after that fix has been done, then we can press play, move our attacker up here. Now it's the defender's turn, and I try to click this guy, try to click that guy, multi-click all of these guys, and there is no bug. So our system is now working as it is intended, which is good. All right. So let's talk. At this point in time, the system that we have created is well, fairly generic in some ways. There are some custom things for this particular game, like we have two factions. They're called attackers and defenders, and we have a turn-based game, and we can switch between those. And we can select the units or actors that belongs to that faction, and this would be the same in chess or most other turn-based games, right? So at this point in time, everything that we have created is fairly generic, and if you were to try to create something else out of this system, it's not too hard to change. But for this video series, the next thing in line for this is to implement the actual game mechanics of the Hnefatafl game and my game at the Steam, right? The Viking Chess Hnefatafl game. That is when this thing starts to become specialized. Right? At this point in time, I want to see if there is a real interest in this video series. So at this point in time, I want to wait a little bit with producing more content. We are almost at 20 episodes with quite a lot of content already. And I want to see if there are viewers, and if you that follow this series so far really like this and you want to see more, So at this point in time, it will be a real good thing for you viewers to support the creation of these videos by going over the videos and clicking like if you like this stuff, and subscribing to this channel. The reason why is that it helps YouTube to the algorithm of YouTube to make it more available to other people that might be looking for the same thing. So the point is, if this video series is interesting for a lot of people, hopefully, then we continue and we create out the game mechanics of Hnefatafl and continue on with this series. So please show your support if you like this stuff. And then I'll check back in with this probably in a couple of weeks, maybe, from today. After I got this stuff uploaded to YouTube, and then we'll see. I will assume I'm probably gonna sit down and further this video project a little bit, but yeah, it would be real helpful to see if there's real interest. So until next time, I'll see you.